Has your equipment been red tagged? Operations halted? Deadlines at risk? I'm John Allen, President and CEO of Product Safety Consulting. With Product Safety's field evaluation, you achieve compliance quickly and efficiently. Our team of experts has evaluated equipment across the country. We'll be on site within 48 hours. Our field evaluations cover a wide range of industries: commercial cooking, lighting, medical, dental, HVAC, and a variety of others. Serving all of North America with over 35 years of experience, 1, remove your red tag and gain immediate approval from the authority having jurisdiction, the AHJ. 2, receive one-time certification that's accepted by all regulatory bodies. At Product Safety, we have the experience that matters. You name it, we can label it. Have you been red tagged? Not anymore.